Presenting Realme GT65G, the available color variants are Razor Green, Miracle Purple and Fluid Silver. It has 12GB RAM and 256GB storage. Designed with flagship display for crystal clear visuals even in sunlight with SGS-AI protection and 6000 nits brightness. Featured with Sony LYT600 OIS camera with 50 million Ultra HD double shot. Built with Snapdragon 7 Plus Gen 3 flagship chipset and 8TL TPO technology. It offers fast charging with 5500 mAh and 120 watts gallium nitride charger. The box includes adapter, USB cable, phone case, screen protector and quick guide. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using UPI, debit, credit card, net banking and cash on delivery. For AMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page. Keep shopping.